Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the A pillar of any Hyundai vehicles. So I was a bit struggling over here. I came across a lot of videos but I couldn't find a perfect solution. So here it is. I'm kind of trying to demonstrate how to do it. First you need to remove this rubber strip. You just need to pull it out. Once it is done, you just need to kind of use some sharp thing over here to remove this pillar from here. It's mounted like this. You just need to pull this up. Once you do that, you see this clip over here that's adjusted in over here. It has been fitted in over here, so you cannot just pull it out. You just need to slightly tilt it and then kind of pull this downside so that it gets removed from this particular bracket. Once it is done, you'll have this free. Thank you.